Okay, Assalamualaikum, HIlwaa. How are you, HIlwaa? Okay, are you okay? You had your breakfast, eh? Okay, so today, what topic are you doing in school? Ratio, okay. All right, we will revise, we'll do like a CA1 paper, we practice, okay? Let's see, where is it? Algebra, not doing. You can try question number 2 first.
Number 2.
Number 2, well done. So 180 minus 28 minus 107. Okay, great. Ratio for number 3.
Number 2.
Number 2. So how many girls do you have?
18.
18. So 18 to 24. Then so 3 to 4. Well done. This one, number 4.
And number 3.
Number 3. Okay. It's quite easy. Huh? Question 5.
And number 1.
Okay, so do you take a 3/4 divided by 1/16? Yes. Well done. So far you got all correct. Well done.
It is 280 grams.
280, 280. But it's not here. Again. Is your answer 280? Like that. Okay, you show me your working. You got your working. You just put up lah. But I do not know whether the green thing, or you can take a photo if you want to and send me, but or you can just put it up. Put it up. What is this whiteboard? Is it whiteboard? Okay, so let us see. Thank you. Okay, dah. So let us see what. Okay, here. This is the one, right? So now you have put this on the wrong side. First, they tell you down here, this is correct. First one, 2:3 is correct. This one is correct. 2:3. But the next one, 4:5, 4/5 one. So this is two different rows, you know. The 5 is not here. The 5, they put what's the name? J to Kumar is 4:5. Jerry to Kumar is 4/5. Remember? Jerry has 4/5 of Kumar. So you must put the 5 here. Now what you make it the same? You must make 12 the same. 3 times 4, 12, right? 12 is the number 3 and 4 can have as the the same number lah. So now this one you times by what? Times by 3. So 5 times 3, you get 15. Then this one you times by 3 times what equals to 12? 3 times 4. So 2 times 4, you get 8. You know how to do? Can do or not? Okay, so we go through the question now. We go through the question one by one. All right, so now I'm going to write like this. To have Ben is to Jerry is to Kuma. So Ben to Jerry, 2 to 3. Now the next one is Jerry had 4 fifths. So Jerry got 4 parts and Kuma got 5 parts. You can see Kuma got 5 parts. So Jerry got 4 parts, Kuma got 5 parts. You must do as a separate line. Can see not? Can you see? So now this number you got, make it the same number lah, so that we can have all the units to compare. So you can take 3 times 4, you get 12 here. So how do you get 12 from 4? 4 times 3. So 5 times 3 get 15. How do you get 12 from 3? 3 times 4. 2 must times 4 also get 8. This part, are you okay? Okay, then you solve it now. The difference between Kuma and Ben is how many units? That is equal to 420. Kuma and Ben, these two. Kuma 15 units, Ben 8 units. 15 minus 8 gets 7 units. This is equals to 420. What is 1 unit? 420 divided by 7. What do you get? 420 divided by 7, you get 60. 60. So 1 unit is 60 grams. Now what are they asking you? How much did Jerry have? Jerry has how many? 12 units.
Number 3.
Number 3. 12 times. Okay, and you're clear? Huh? All right. Now we'll move on to the next one. Have you learned, you know percentage, right? You try. Okay. Just give me a moment. Eh? You know how to do? When's your, do you have CA1 or not? You have CA1? No CA1, only SA1 straight. So there's no test, huh? Oh, you just had a test, right? You just had a test. Was it difficult or not, the test? A little bit. Well, your problem sums is the one. Maybe we have to go to problem sums after this. This is a problem sum, but this is yeah, this problem sum is okay.
And number 2.
Number 2, well done. So you found the price, 80% of it is $40, and then 7% is $280. You add together is $42.80. Well done. You do one, this one we don't do that. We do a problem sum. Now we go to this one. This one. You try this one. Read carefully. Believe in yourself. Ingat rukun iman pertama, which is to believe in Allah and believe that Allah will help you. So you try. If you don't understand the question, must tell me. Okay, now you know how to do. Okay, you know that 68 is this plus 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 this. Correct? You know, you understand that, huh? It's perimeter. You understand that part? So let us count. I'm going to count in sets. In sets of what? Can you see this line up here? This line. And this line. And this line. Smaller square side plus middle square side plus bigger square side. I want to find this, right? But how many of these are there? Let us see. Yeah? I use another color. Bigger square side plus middle square side plus smaller square side. You know this one is also equal to the red color. You agree? So let's try now another color now. Yellow. Bigger square side plus middle square side plus smaller square side. Do you agree this one is also same as the, you agree, right? And the last one, blue color, bigger square side plus middle square side plus smaller square side. You got 4 sets, huh? You have 4 sets of QR, you know, is 68. What is one set? You understand? So what is the answer? You show your you understand or not? You know how to do?
17.
17, yes. So you clearly understand, huh? You understand why there's 4 sets, right? Okay. So what does it mean? Sometimes we cannot look at the normal way, you know, and find what is this square perimeter. Sometimes you cannot do that. You got to think creatively. So you must remember there's always a way to solve it. So sometimes you have to be creative. So this is a creative way. You try question number 12.
It's 1 whole 1 of 3.
1 whole 1. Well done. You did it Okay. Actually, I forgot. I want to show you give you only the problem sum like this. Okay. NG bought 3 kg of chocolates, kept 2/5 for herself, shared the rest equally with some children. Each child received 1/5 kg of chocolates. How many children were there?
Yes, 9.
Wow. Okay. Explain to me what do you do. Tell me step by step what you do.
3 kg divided by 5.
Okay. And
0
then,
0.6
okay. And then times by 3, is it?
then divided by 1 out of 5.
Well done. Congratulations. Very good. You're quite all right. Okay. So question 15. Sorry, what's the answer? What's the answer? Yes. 54. Can you show me your working? Let me see your working. 54, is it? 54.
84.
84. Can I see your working? Don't move over, don't move over. Okay, thank you. Thanks. Is my voice clear? Yeah. Okay, so we're going to go through your working. Down here. You can see now? HIlwaa. So now blue, purple is 2:3. Okay, then after that 3:1. So now, can I ask you which markers were not given away? Which markers remain the same?
Blue.
So your blue, you must make the same number, no? Can you make a same number down here? So times 3 times 2, 2 times 3, right? So now, okay, I'm going to go back to down here. So you write down like this, okay? You know that blue did not change. So now blue to purple, at first you had 2:3. At the end, you got 3:1. If you do like that, can you see this two is different number? But actually, there is no change in the number of blue markers. Do you agree? So you must make this both have the same number. You times by 3, you times by 3. So what do you get? You get, at first, you get 6 is to 9 blue markers. At first. 6 to 9. Then this one, you times by 2. To make it 6 also, right? You also times 2. So what do you get? 6 is to 2. Now blue is the same. But purple has reduced by 7. You know how to solve now? So purple went down by 7 units now. This part, do you understand this part now? Okay. So purple went down by 7 units. This 7 units is the 56. Because he gave away 56. He gave away 7 units. So 7 units must be equals to 56. You get it? 1 unit is equals to 56 divided by 7 is 8. If 1 unit is 8, you want to know how many blue markers are there? Well, there's 6 units of 6 times 8 is 48. How? Okay, so I will go step by step. In this question, you found out that only purple is given away. Blue is not given away. So blue must be the same. Unfortunately, down here is 2 is 3. You got to make it the same. So you times by 3, you times by 2, you get the equivalent ratio, which is 6 is to 9, 6 is to 2. So you can see that blue now, this is the same, 6, 6. Purple has reduced by 7. 9 minus 7 is 2. So it's reduced by 7. So that means 7 must be 56. Are you okay? So 7 units, 56. 1 unit is 56 divided by 7, get 8. Blue is 6 units. 6 times 8. How can? Yeah. So you look up for those groups. You try now. Percentage you won't be tested yet. This one. This whole numbers. I think you can use a calculator for this one. I think this is like paper 2. Right? Because CA1, you know, CA1, they have section C, this is like primary 4 division. So primary 4 style paper. So you can use your calculator. Can do. You need to draw the model. Please draw the model. Now, HIlwaa,
$4.60.
$4.60. You show me your models. Show me your working. Show me your working. If you have a model, also it will be good. Oh, you have model, okay, good. So model. Wait, hold on. Can I? Okay. Thank you. But your model doesn't show. Okay, hold on. So let us look at your model now. This one is what? Book, is it? This one is pen. But your model showed he bought 4 books and 4 pens, and each of the book costs the same as the pen. So now we got to draw one by one. So what is one by one? Okay. Let us draw from the very beginning. Okay, we look at this statement here. A book costs $5.40 more than a pen. So I have a book, I have a pen. Down here, this is the book. And the pen, this is the pen like that. What's the difference in price? It's $5.40. This part you understand. So you see, bought 2 books, I draw 2 lah down here. Got 2 books, right? And then 4 times 2 is 8, and we bought 8 of this. So I draw 1, 2, 3. I draw 8 of this lah. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one you understand or not? You understand? So I can also cut here, right? Can or not? So this is 540, this is 540. All together, how much? This 540 times 2, right? So the whole thing is 30. You try now to solve it now. You can do this today. My model is accurate. You try to solve it. Can or not? Can, huh? Is it nice the way I do this? Good or not? Is it stylish? Not stylish. Ay, apo lagi. I've been practicing for months. You know what to do now? Ah, you don't know, this one is 540, what? This one is also 540. You agree now? So, step 1, what you do? You take $36.80 minus those two 540. 540 is 1080, right? Take 36.80 minus 1080. How much do you get? What do you get?
26.
26. Now remember, the $26 is for now because you already minus that. So now it's 1, 2, $26. We already minus the 540. 540, we get $26. For how many units? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that means 10 pens cost $26. What is one pen? One pen is 10 pen. One pen? One pen is what? 6 divided by 10 lah. You shift the decimal place, 260. You know how to shift decimal place? So you understand the question? I have to give you my own question. Huh? What? Sorry? I can't hear you. I can hear you saying something, but I don't know whether it's you or someone else. Someone else. Is it someone else? But you understand this one? I'm going to change the question, okay? You try, huh? Okay, then you try to, okay, here we go. Change that down here. Hold on. Just a moment, okay? That, Can you try like that? You can see, a book costs $3 more than a pen. Minnie bought 3 books and 2 times as many pens. She spent $2 altogether. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Wrong number. Hold on. Hold on. Sekejap, $18. How? HIlwaa can do now.
Is it 12?
12. One pen is $12. If one pen $12, 2 pen is $24. So we draw lah. We draw now. One pen. So we draw one pen is how many dollars more than? Is $3 more, let's say. So I put $3. This one is one. Sorry, this one book. This one is pen. How many books you have? There are 3 books. So we draw 3 of these. $3, $3, and $9 here. Books, 2 times 3 lah. If there's 3 books, 2 times 3 is how many? 6 books. So we draw another 5 more. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pens. 3 books. You understand the model so far? This whole thing is equals to $18. So what do we do? 18 minus 3, 3, 3, 9. Minus the 9. So you can get rid of this part. 18 minus 9 is 9. And the balance now is $9 for 9 pens. There's 6 here, there's 3 here. So 9 divided by 9, each pen is $1. How can I not? Okay, we try the next one. Okay, let's try question number 19. Ask yourself how many parts of Brian stickers is equals to how many parts of Chester stickers? Do you know? You know. Okay, then you draw the model. If you know, you can draw the model. If you don't know, you cannot draw the model. Maybe you can show me your model. Can you show me your model? Let me check whether your model is correct. If your model is wrong, the whole thing is wrong. Oh, the model doesn't show. 3, 4. It doesn't show lah. Okay, come. Okay, you look at my model. Okay, down here. First of all, Brian, he used 4. Oh, do you agree now? First of all, Brian used 4 of his stickers. You agree? How many stickers? How many parts of his stickers is he left with, Brian? How many?
3.
3 parts left. And then Chester, he used 3 parts of his stickers. How many parts left?
2.
2 parts left. And then they tell us these 2, what is left is equal, you know. So what does it mean? You must draw Brian 1 3 parts. This is equal to Chester's 2 parts. You understand that, son? Now total you got how many parts? Brian got 7 parts, so you draw 7. Chester got 5, you draw 5. And then you know you must label where is 20. You try. You know what to do now? You know what to do? You try. Then I check your model. Are you okay, miss? You draw the model, complete, eh? Once you finish, you show me. I want to see. How can you show me your model? Wait. Okay, so I'm going. Okay, thank you. I'm going to show you what you draw. See, yeah. So this is what HIlwaa draw. HIlwaa going to draw like this. HIlwaa draw like that. Then you say this one is C, B, like that. Then the difference here is 20. 20 stickers. But you see, you look at this. This 2 unit is equal to the 3 unit. Yours, 1 unit same as 1, same size. This one 1 unit different size. Your next step is down here. What do? Brian got how many? Total of 7. You must draw some more. Draw another 3. So 1, 2, 3. When you draw 3, you can draw 2 in here already. So Brian must have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And what about Chester? Chester must have a total of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5 is a little bit longer than this one. So this part is 20. Which part is here? Exactly here. So how much is that? So down here we can divide it. Can you see now? 2 units, 3 units. We can make it 6 units lah. Okay, every 3 units we divide into 2. Can you see? And then we do divide into 2, divide into 2, divide into 2, divide into 2. The big one you divide into 3, divide into 3, divide into 3, divide into 3, and divide into 3. So 20 is for 1 unit. So how many stickers they have all together? You got to count out of them. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. There's 14 units for Brian, 14 units. Chester is 1 unit. So when you plus together, you get 29. So 1 unit is 20. 29 units is 29 times 20. Which means it's 580. Are you blur? Clear? Clear or blur? Clear. Wow. Okay. So how do I? I mean, as we practice more problem sums, you will learn more and more about this. Okay. But remember, this video is being recorded. You know. So you want to revise? You can go to the video. You know how to go to the video. You know. Have you been to the video? Oh. But you know how to go to the video. Okay, I'm just going to share with you, like, in case you're not sure how to. I do not know whether you really know or don't know. But I'm going to show you, okay, in case lah. Let me just clear the screen first. Go to Google. So you just start. Go to YouTube. Down here, right? Mr. Max Tuition. Salim's Max. Max Tuition. So you have now a YouTube. Sorry, it's supposed to be YouTube. YouTube. So you go to YouTube. Then you are on my name. Zoom to share. So down here, you just click here, you already see all. Okay, down here. So now you want to find yours out. You look for the playlist. Where's the playlist? There's a playlist somewhere here. Because I am the person, it's difficult to see videos. Okay. There's a playlist. Where's the playlist? Anyway, you can check down here for your name. See down here, the name is HIlwaa. HIlwaa, this one. So you check for your name, then can you see HIlwaa CA1 practice. Okay, you can review it down here. But I leave it to you, I leave it to you. We do the next one. Can you try this one for 20? You need to draw the rectangle draw. Can Hilwaa?
The first one is 9 cm.
Marha. So, of this Hilwaa. Hilwaa, you can speak Arabic, right? So fortunate. Huh?
And the next one, 67.5 cm square.
No, it's not. It's not. Okay, what is the length? What is the length?
15 cm.
So area is length times breadth, right? If you get the 9 now, and this is 15 cm, you know how to find area, right? Length times breadth, right? What's your answer? Sorry? What's the answer? Your voice disappeared. 15 times 9, right?
It's 135 cm
Yes,
square.
135 square cm. Well done. Easy enough. You just almost how you get 60, you go and divide by 2. Right? Oh, you take half times base times height. Take triangle. Look, if you divide by 2, you get triangle, you see? Once you divide by 2, you get triangle. But we are not doing triangle. Okay, almost. Yeah. See, yeah, ratio. Okay, wait, Hiba. This one. Just a moment. Let me see whether is there another question. That's the end. Right. A little bit complex as well, but it's okay still.
And then A is 2.
Sorry, again.
A is 2.
A is 2, okay, and but that's not correct, right? It is not true. Okay, this is a little bit complex to. Okay, maybe we will do this again next week. But can we try this one? These. calculator, no problem. You know how to do? No. Down here is an isosceles triangle. This one is. And they tell us that ED is the same as EC. So these two, when you have an isosceles triangle like that, these two sides are the same. That means these two angles are the same. So that means this and this are the same. Okay, so now they ask you for ECB. You need to find out what's one angle out of here. These two are the same. 180 minus 42. What do we get? We get 138. 138 is for these two angles here, 1 and they are equal. 638. So we will get 69 degrees. This is 69 degrees. Now you want to know what this is. Can you find out? You know this is 69 degrees. How much is this one? This is an angle, you know. So this one is
42.
42? No, 42 is here. Down here now, this 90 degrees, right? You can see now, 90 degrees. Take 90 degrees, 169. You get 21. 21 plus 69 is 90 degrees. So you know how to get 21? 90 degrees minus 69. You know how we got 69? This is isosceles triangle. Down here is 42. So we take 180 minus 42, get 138. 138 42. So 138 divided by 2, you get 69. This one becomes 69. This one is also 69. So once we go a step higher, a step later, they say, want to find this angle, the red angle here. It's 90 degrees minus 69. 21. Are you okay? Can you find this one now here? The shaded one. The last question. Very easy, very easy. You can find this one, you can find this one, you can find this one.
25 degrees.
Well done, 25 degrees. Okay, you did not so bad, quite good. Inshallah, we'll practice more of the problem sums next week. I'll give you some homework here. Sorry, I forgot to give you some homework last week. Okay, you try to do all right. Hello. Assalamualaikum.